This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious cheesecake-like dessert for under Rs. 50. We'll focus on smart ingredient choices and a simple no-bake method to keep costs low. This recipe is perfect for satisfying your sweet cravings without breaking the bank. Get ready to enjoy a creamy, delightful treat that's both affordable and easy to prepare right in your own kitchen. To keep our cheesecake under Rs. 50, we'll use smart substitutions. Instead of expensive cream cheese, we'll use about 200 grams of hung curd, which is very economical. For the base, a small packet of digestive biscuits works perfectly. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of sugar, a few drops of vanilla essence, and the juice from 1/2 lemon to brighten the flavors. These simple ingredients make a big difference in cost. Preparing this budget-friendly cheesecake is super easy. First, crush about 100 grams of your chosen biscuits until fine, then mix them with 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a small serving dish to create your crust. Next, whisk together the hung curd, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a few drops of vanilla essence, and the juice from 1/2 lemon until smooth. Pour this creamy filling over your biscuit base and chill for at least 2 hours. Once your cheesecake is perfectly chilled and firm, it's ready to enjoy. You can garnish it with a few slices of fresh fruit, a sprinkle of cocoa powder, or a drizzle of honey if you like. This simple, no-bake cheesecake-like dessert proves that you don't need expensive ingredients to create something truly delicious. It's a perfect, budget-friendly treat to satisfy your sweet tooth or share with loved ones. Enjoy every creamy bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.